Hey traders, quick question. Would having an extra $250,000 to $300,000 help you trade a little bit better or get a little bit more excited about your scalping ability to make a decent income? If so, stay tuned. Hey traders, I just wanted to touch base with you guys on our scalping program. We're really excited about our scalping that we've been doing. It's been awesome. We've been targeting about $1,000 a day profit goal. Some days we make it, some days we didn't. Today I fell short a little bit. I was actually up $1,800 and then ended up only up about $570 on the day, but that's how it goes. But the point of this video is not how we're doing with our scalping, but one of the challenges that we have with scalping, which is one of the challenges that we have with pretty much any trading strategy out there. And it's like, man, it would sure be a lot better for me if I had more money than less money. So we've actually been able to set up an affiliation with Apex Trading Funding, which I love. There are a lot of prop firms that I have worked with and seen over the last 20 plus years that prop firms have been around in public form. Some of them are just atrocious. Some of them are okay. But there's not very many that I would just jump up and down and say are awesome. And Apex Trader is really, I think, one of the top ones out there. We're pretty proud to have an affiliation with them. And it is a great way, I believe, to raise the capital to go start scalping with us if it's not something that you have in place right now. So I'm going to enclose a link here in the video. You can go to their website and check out how it works, why they are as good as they are. They're right here. I won't take the time to go through all of this, but being able to qualify in as little as 10 days, a one-step evaluation process, no cap on payouts, a 90-10 split. It's just awesome, awesome program. And there's a lot of great benefits to trading with them. They've got all different levels that you can come in at as low as $25,000 up to $300,000. The $250,000 level seems to be the most popular. That's the one that I am trading at and the one that I'm in on. But either way, it's a way to be able to access some capital so that you can go trade. So if you need funds to go trade with, I'm going to put a link. I'm going to put two links in the description here. I'm going to put a link for the ability to go out and sign up for the Apex Trader Funding Program. Get started on that. We've got about a half a dozen members in our scalping room today that are signing up for that. And then I will also put a link so that you can access our live scalping room where you can come every Tuesday and Thursday and scalp with us. If you have any questions, of course, throw them in the comments section, guys. But we're really excited about being able to fund. Now, that's half the battle, right? Learning to trade is one thing. Getting the money to trade with is a whole other thing. So let me know if you have any questions. Appreciate you guys. Take care.